What's up, YouTubers? This is Lazy Bear 64 here, and welcome to my channel called Lazy Bear Gaming, because I'm mainly talk about video games. But without further ado, today's video I'm gonna make it special. I'm gonna give you step by step on how to spray paint an actual controller. Now, warn you, if this is your first time spray painting a controller, that's okay, that's fine. Just don't expect that you will end up having a glossy or eye candy look. It's gonna take time and practice. And the longer you wait for your product to grow, the better the result. Now, for the equipment, most of the time you need more than just a Philly head, obviously. But most of the time, you need more than just Philly head to unscrew. Like, for example, an Xbox 360 controller, you need a star screwdriver. But for the sake of this video, we're gonna just do the basic, like base step. Other than Philly head, you need premium paint, selection of colors that you want. Like for mine, I'm gonna put white. The reason why, because I'm gonna put white, but I'm also gonna splash it with red paint to make it look like a zombie effect. You know, to give it that zombie look. And sandpaper. And last and not least, clear coat. Now, probably in the later video, I'm gonna show you me spray painting the controller. But for now, for this part one, I'm gonna teach you how to wash your controller and sandpaper. Well, actually, I'm not gonna teach you how to wash your controller because we are not kids. We know how to wash our hand and do all kind of stuff. So washing a controller is not that hard. But just to let you know, when it comes to washing a controller, you use dish soap to get rid of grease and oil. So that way, when you spray painting it, you won't leave that mush, that ugly look once it's dry. It's okay to use soap, but most of the time you need to use dish soap just to get rid of grease and oil. But I'm not gonna wash mine because I just got it fresh out of the box. Like I literally got it fresh out of the box. I don't know what you guys thinking, but I'm gonna just show you how to sandpaper it. And then in my next video, I'm gonna teach you how to apply premium paint. And without further ado, let's begin. Now, you need to unscrew 6 of the screw head, 3 at the bottom, 3 at the top, and this is what I'm gonna do right now. This unscrew 1. Two. 3. 4. 5. Yeah, I unscrew 6 of the screw head. And then here's some tips. When you come to open a controller, always put your controller in the button face down. So that way you won't drop any button or miss any parts. And just to put the camera down to show you me actually opening it. Voila! You don't need no secret password or anything. And this is what the motherboard of the actual controller look like. Not only that, plus your buttons, your D-pad. Nah, well, excuse me for my language. Your A and B button. Yep, there you go. Your start and select button, and then your D-pad. Now, oh yeah, and here's some tips. Put it in a place where it won't drop. Like for example, put it on a, like for me, most of the time I usually put it on one of the back part of the controller. But since I'm gonna sandpaper it, I'm just gonna put it on a flat surface. Also another thing, always put it on a flat surface, not rounded, so that way one of the part won't roll over or jump out of nowhere. Now this is what it look like at the front, and then this is what it look like at the back. Now I'm gonna apply sandpaper. Now for the sandpaper, get between 320 to 400. Like what the one that I got is 320. By the way, if sorry about the video quality and the audio. Yeah. In the future, I'm gonna get a better one. Yeah, but here, yeah, it just say 320. Yep. Here's sandpaper. And don't, when it comes to scrub, and then scrub this, when it comes to scrubbing it, don't scrub too hard. Just a little bit. Well, not a little bit, like enough until the actual, enough to get rid of the shyness and glossiness on the controller. Yeah. And keep on scrubbing it until it leaves like a grayish or uncolored version of this. You know, I'm gonna sort it. Yeah, keep on applying sandpaper until there's no shyness or anything that's reflecting to it. Thank you. Okay. And then after you then I forgot to take off the skin off. Wait, give me a minute. Wait, give me a minute. Yep. You see, oh, wait, there's still some signage on it. Sorry about that. Okay, I have applied sandpaper and get rid of the signage, but yeah, that's what it look like when you apply sandpaper. Yeah, sorry, there's some stickiness and paper stuck on it. I'm gonna get rid of it once I'm done with this video. But other than that, thank you for watching my video. Click that like button, and if you